Welcome to our ranking of the new Porsche 904 from CMC Model Cars. Model cars are my passion. My name is Klaus Jeschke and I am the founder of Model Cars 24. We sell top-class model cars. CMC Model Cars is known for their super detailed models. As a new form, the Porsche 904 will appear in 8 variants in 2024. Which variants are the most popular? We evaluated our sales figures for this purpose. The Porsche 904 M231 in the Monte Carlo Rally version is currently in first place with 23% of all sales. This silver vehicle with the additional headlight on the front lid is very popular with buyers. 2 models share second place with 18% each. On the one hand, there is the orange Nürburgring version with start number 45, and on the other hand, there is the blue Scottsdale 904, a very elegant model in dark blue with white stripes and a white start number field. He next place is again occupied by an auction car with 14%. The red silver 904 from the Pebble Beach auction with item number M234 is in third place. Now there are 2 models that share fourth place. CMC's base model, the M230 in silver with green printing on the front hood, and the green Silverstone 904 with striking black rims, M232 both account for 9% of sales. The last 2 places are shared by the Silver Spar Porsche, M233, and the green Snetterton M235. Each model has 5% of the sales pie. We are excited to see how sales develop. Will the Targa Florio Porsche remain in first place and hold the flag high for the race participants, or will it be the elegant Scottsdale Porsche in dark blue? Both are limited models. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.